Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can turn off vanish mode in Instagram. So the first thing that we want to do is to open your Instagram account. And then, we will be going to your profile page. Just tap on this profile icon at the bottom. Now, right here on your profile page, you can see following. So these are the person that you follow. So now just tap on that. We will now choose any of this account. Now just tap on message. You can now see your conversation with this account. And then as you can read right here at the bottom, swipe up to turn on vanish mode. So we will going to swipe up to turn on the vanish mode like this. So we just turn on the vanish mode. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.